Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to use side key to end calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, okay, go to interaction and dexterity. Here in interaction and dexterity, in interaction section, you can see the answering and ending calls. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap this. And here in answering and ending calls, you can see the press side key to end calls. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to use side key to end calls, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully used side key to end calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.